Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to start zone cleaning on your ROBOROCK Saros 10R. To do it, you will need to select zones right here, and now you can clean with zones. What that means, you can add different zones to clean. So instead of cleaning the whole home, it'll only clean within those zones. So let's add one here and let's add another one, because why not? Now we could, let's say I'll do it like so, and now you can click here on this little edit button to change settings for each zone separately, or just go here and change settings for both. You actually need to click on the zone and they need to be changed separately. So just select the zone that you want to change, click on this button right here, and you can change whether you want to vacuum then mop, vacuum and mop, or just mop, just vacuum, or customize it even. You can change the suction power, water flow, cleaning count and route, and then you can start cleaning. Remember, you can set it differently for both zones. So one of them will be, let's say I'll do vacuum, and one of them will be, I'll click here on this edit button and I'll mop. So one of them will be vacuumed, one of them will be mopped, and then you can start it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.